Morning all, London Auto Lads here. We got a BMW X5 2009 model. We're going to take off the door handle because we've got a guard down here we need to change. So what I'm going to do for the painters is take this door handle off so they can blend the door when they're going to colour it. So the tools we need for today are a plastic pry bar, a 10mm nut, torch, and a 4mm Allen key, T-handled tool there. So through this hole here, we earlier took out the grommet. So through this hole here, if you want to have a look, we got there it is, the 4mm Allen key that you need to take out. So you come at that angle, you want to make sure it's quite a long bolt, so you take it to your left anti-clockwise quite a few times. You want to release this fully, so there's no worries about undoing it too much. So whilst that's in place there, you want to go around the other side and start to pry your door barrel out. What I do, because the bolt hasn't got anything to secure it in the back position, we need to keep your tool in place because it will fall inside the door. Keep that in place. Take your door barrel out. Install that nicely. And then we'll grab our nut and make sure you put that on the end of your bolt, because when the door closes, the bolt will fall inside the door and it'll be very hard to retrieve. So now you want to lift up the light. This little light here, when at night, lights up when you're searching for your keys, if you need to use the fob part. So you slide that to the left and pull that out. And there you have it. These rubber gaskets, we like to store them, take them off and store them over here with our handle and our barrel. So that one's done, and that's ready for a blend of the door. Thanks everyone, like and subscribe for more content.